Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to change your Spotify password. Do you need to change your Spotify account password? If you know your password, you'll need to use the Spotify website on your mobile or desktop browser. If you forgot or lost your password, you'll need to reset it. Currently, there's no way to change or reset your password on the Spotify mobile app or desktop app. So you'll need to use a browser, and I will show you how to reset your password. Now, if I go to the web browser, now I'm already here at spotify.com. Make sure you are logged into your account. Remember also that if you use Facebook to log in your Spotify account, you won't have a Spotify password to change. But you can change your Facebook password. You could also remove Spotify from Facebook if you want. So right now, I'm gonna show you how to change the password that is not connected to Facebook account. So if you go here to settings, then go to view account, then you go to account overview, then you will press change password. You should just put your current password and now you will just put a new password. And you'll just need to repeat the new password. And press set new password. So it's already updated. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!